Are you looking for marketing tools that will boost your business? Here are the top 9 Telegram marketing tools that I use daily to drive sales and grow my brand. Number 1. Telegram channels. A Telegram channel is like a public page where you can share news, posts, or content with your audience. It supports multiple content types: text, images, videos, animated stickers, polls, and even live streaming. On Telegram, every post in your channel reaches all subscribers. No algorithm hiding it like on Instagram. Telegram channels are perfect for building your brand and driving sales. Number 2. Telegram bots. A Telegram bot is a small program that works inside the Telegram app. You can use bots to automate your marketing. They can answer messages, send promo content, and help with customer support. Some businesses use bots like a website where people can pick products or services and pay for them right inside Telegram. Telegram bots are good for automation tasks and sales. Number 3. Telegram groups. A Telegram group is a chat where people share messages, photos, videos, and files. Perfect for discussion and collaboration. Telegram groups are best for building communities. Number 4. Telegram business. With Telegram business, you can talk to clients easily. It gives you tools like greeting messages, quick replies, and showing your business hours. It helps businesses look more professional, save time with automation, and serve customers better. Telegram business is the best for client-facing companies. Number 5. Telegram Channel Analyzer. Telegram Channel Analyzer helps you grow your Telegram channel with data-driven insights. It analyzes your channel like a consultant, checking your content, promotion, and monetization. Then it shows you exactly what to improve to get more quality subscribers and increase sales. Best for advanced analytics and strategy. Number 6. Telegram Ads. Telegram Ads is the official advertising platform that allows anyone to run ads inside the Telegram app, similar to how ads work on Facebook or Instagram. It's one of the fastest ways to grow a channel or bot and attract new customers to your business. Number 7. TG-Stat. TG-Stat is an analytics tool for your Telegram channel. It gives you analytics for your Telegram channels, helps you learn from top channels in your niche, and shows you the best places to run Telegram ads. Best for analytics and competitor research. Number 8. Telega.io. Telega.io is a marketplace for influencer marketing on Telegram. It makes promotion easy. You can quickly find channels in your niche and advertise your product in a way that feels natural to subscribers. Number 9. Telegram Marketing Course. A Telegram marketing course is a step-by-step program that shows beginners how to create, grow, and monetize a Telegram channel. It saves you from wasting time on trial and error by giving you a clear system for promotion, monetization, and content. Best for beginners and structured learning. All links to the tools are in the description. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. See you soon!